I want y'all to do yourselves a favor. Just one thing. And that one thing is to think for yourself. It is to question the ideas that enter your mind, to question the programming that people are trying to feed you, and to assess it if it's fundamentally, morally right or wrong. There are people who have an agenda to change your mind, correct? And a lot of people are accepting it just because they hear it repetitively. That is a mechanism that they use. They repeat it in your mind so it becomes normalized. I'm going to tell you, check that thought. Check the idea. Assess it. Again, assess it. See if it aligns morally to God and to yourselves and to your own values. Does it align with your characteristics? If it doesn't, reject it. If it does not, reject it. You don't even have to explain yourself after that to anyone after that. Now, if it's good, if it aligns, it is morally correct, accept it. Practice it. Right? Spread it. God tells us to spread righteousness, so we're going to spread righteousness. You feel me? You cannot be in zombie mode no more. You cannot. If you are in zombie mode, you're losing in life. You're losing.